don't know how to fix it. Yo, can you guys see the new stream? Hello, anyone here? Let's just see if this is working. Screen is back? Okay. Okay, wait, let me answer. There was a question from you, Tan. I'm thinking about doing live streams every day, trying to grow my channel too with them. Damn, wait, do you actually, let me go to channel. Let me check your channel out. Oh, damn, you got 2.5k subs. Damn, bro. I see you. I'm just trying live streams today because I've never done it before, and yeah, it's working. Yeah, I've never done live streams like this before, but it's not gonna be an everyday thing. GJ is playing out. I don't want to freeze the screen again, so I'm not gonna mess around with it too much. Oh, we should link up, bro. Used to trade ICT, but now trade supply and demand. The Doyle way, yeah, the Doyle way is very nice. That's what I've been trading for like a year now. A little bit longer than a year. I think we are gonna get into GJ's demand because it looks like it's playing out. Yeah, this GJ demand looks good. I'm just gonna get TradingView up real quick, and then let's see. Yeah, GJ is looking really good. Looks like I think I'm gonna get into this trade. We just gotta be careful of news. Okay, we just got break a candle. Yeah, it looks like it just broke candle, and then spreads always messes us up. So we are in this, and we're just looking to sculpt this up a little bit. Let's just set it up on TradingView. So I got in around about there. This is what we're looking for now. Let's hope this trade can actually play out. It actually looks pretty good. The only thing I don't like is we didn't get like a major breaker structure. We only had a minor and looks like a fake out. I'm gonna just focus up real quick just in case we do get a fake out. I don't like the rejection that we got from the breaker candle. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. Got about a minute left until next candle. Let's check the rejections. A little bit of a rejection of the 4-hour demand. We are also just looking for 1-to-1. My TP is like up here. I don't want to change it just yet. Just trying to focus in case we do push down. Yeah, that is not looking good. Yeah. Shit, I don't even close manually anymore. I just let it usually get hit by normal stop loss. Okay, so we just got stopped out of this trade. It was a pretty okay trade. We are counter trend on the 5-minute. We had a minor break of structure, had break a candle, got in, and then just got stopped out right there. But you know what? It's all good. Yeah, people telling me they also took the same trade and got stopped out, but it's all good. Let's see. I might look for another setup after news, but I am gonna wait for news to just pass to see if we get into another setup. A few people in the Discord also took this trade. Let's just see. I'm calling it we get a rejection of this candle and it actually pushes up. Yeah, like look at that. It was just faking out. Let me just take this off. Bro, like look at this. I might look to get back in on the re-entry. That is so annoying. That is so annoying. Damn. The trade isn't a 4-hour demand, so it is probably going to take a little bit of time if it wants to push up. This is the nerve-wracking part when you're having to decide to cut a loss or take full hit when in drawdown. I usually just take the full hit now, like let it completely hit my stop loss, because literally, when was it? I think it was on like Friday last week. I took a trade and then I cut it because we were in drawdown and it ended up literally reversing and hit take profit. That's why I do not like. And actually, it also happened on Monday on the live trading video that I posted on Monday. The trade came to break even because it was New York Stock Exchange open, and then I closed at break even, and as soon as I closed, it literally rejected up, and then I got back in again for the re-entry. But yeah, that stuff happens. NAS could be throwing a liquidity grab. Let's see. Let's just check this out. Nah. NAS is a bit high, which is the only thing I don't like. Which pair is it right now? I'm looking at NAS GJ, and GU. Those are the 3 pairs that I trade. Could be looking for a fourth a fourth pair to look at, but at the moment I'm just looking at these 3 pairs. Yeah, GJ could be having, I don't know what I'd call this. Yeah, it's like a support, but it didn't quite grab the liquidity yet. But also news is in 20 minutes, so I think I am just gonna chill and let news pass before we look for another setup to take. Sometimes I remove the stop loss when I enter with magic keys. What I do is wait for a close below the breaker structure candle, and I have avoided takeouts that way, or sometimes I get a chance to close up break even. Yeah, I used to do that. I used to trade with like a mental stop loss and then just close if it hit stop loss, but I've been preferring just letting it hit normal stop loss now, because sometimes if you just let it, like if you have a mental stop loss, like let's say your stop loss, just for example, let's say your stop loss is like right here, it's mental stop loss, so it's not actually there. Sometimes the market can push down like quickly to like here, and then you'd have to close with like that loss, because you wouldn't be able to close like once it actually gets this loss here. I do the same pairs plus EU. I've been backtesting EU recently. I backtested like last week. It was okay, but it wasn't better than GU and GJ. So I'm not gonna put it on unless it throws cleaner setups and has a higher win rate than GJ or GU. That's why we're just sticking with these 3 pairs and hope we can catch a setup today now. Actually, let's pull up EU. Let's see what EU is doing. Control M. Why isn't it working? Oh, my bad. Where's EU? Okay. See what EU is doing. EU is so high to take anything. I don't like the way actually EU threw a demand. When was this? EU threw a demand literally. Actually, this is kind of long ago. What time was this? This is like an hour and a half ago. EU threw a clean demand right here. Could have gone in a breaker candle and held that, but damn, it's fine. Yeah, GJ looks like it's done for now. Let's just close that. Yeah, GJ looks like it's done for now. Yeah, it's absolutely, GJ looks like it's done for. That was just a fake out of a setup. Kind of annoying. Okay, let's just close that and then delete the zone. You know what I want to do while we wait? Let's see how we do this. I wanted to add. Let's see how we do this. Add text. shit, we can do that. There. Subscribe. How do I edit the size of this? Oh, can you guys see this? I don't even know. Can you see this? The huge ass subscribe button. How do we make this thing black? Set color. No, that didn't change it. I don't know how to change this. I wonder if you can actually see it though. Oh damn, you can actually see it. I'm gonna reach out now. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to fix this. Let's see. This is one of the reasons why I also didn't want to even stream, because it is hella confusing. But you know what? Today I just got a random idea to start streaming, and you can't see it if I put it there because it's white. But I don't know how to change the color. Set color. Why would it change? Yes. Okay, we took it away. Okay. This is a give and take situation with the mental stop loss. Sometimes it bites you in the ass and works out great. Sometimes works most times for me. Yeah, I used to do mental stop loss like last year, but when I switched over to when I used to do fixed loss sizes, I had mental stop loss, but then I switched over to using magic keys, and I've just never really thought about a mental stop loss. I'll either close it manually or just let it hit the full stop loss. I wanna try add that text back, but I don't know how to do this. Let's go add text. Okay. I think we done it. Let's see. Looks clean. Okay, there we go. We done it. Let's just adjust it. Yeah. We're figuring this stuff out. I don't know how it looks. Let's check. Trust me, take the lower NAS demand. I was looking at this demand here, but I think it is gonna get destroyed during news. Okay, there we go. I believe this demand's gonna get destroyed during news, or we might just tap into it. But the only thing I don't like about it is that we're breaking a low to get to this demand. So that's the only thing. That's the only thing that I don't like about the NAS demand. The low is liquidity. Yeah, I was talking to someone about this as well. The low can be seen as liquidity, but you could also look at it like this. So you can't draw on MetaTrader, but think about it like this. If we're breaking a low, that could also mean that we're switching trend. That means it could push down, break a, actually let's see if we can draw it. The market could do this, so we're breaking a low there, so this is what the market could do. It could literally just do this, or breaking that low can act as this. Okay, let's see. Breaking the low can act as this, then we could tap in, get a fake out, and then push down. That's how I see it when we break a low. Like, we're breaking structure to the downside now. We didn't get a break of this high now, and now we're getting a break of this low here. That means we are most likely going to switch structure to the downside. That's why I don't like taking supply and demand setups with it is just a minor low. Yeah, it is a minor low, but we are still breaking structure to the downside, even if it's just a minor low. That's just the way I see it. I've always seen it. I prefer supply and demand setups where we let's see if I can find an example. I don't know, ones where it literally gives us the demand, and then like I would have preferred this. Let's just delete this. I would have preferred if NAS did this from where this low is. Literally tap in it like that, and then we'd take it up like that. That's what I'd prefer NAS to do. Not create this low here, push up, and then come break this low. I'd prefer NAS. I only take setups where we get the push up with the push that breaks gives us break structure, then it comes back and taps in. Then I like getting in on that. Those are the setups that I just prefer taking, that I've always taken, and yeah, it's been working for me. Like, I used to take setups like this. Like, I'm trying to see if we can, let's see if we can find an example of what you're saying. No, I can't find an example now. I'm on MetaTrader, so this is not gonna even work. You know what? I'm not gonna look. It's I'll have to look for an example on TradingView. Okay, let's read. I'll hit you up on Discord. Would be great to hop in a backtest session if that's okay. Yeah, the Discord's been asking for a backtest session for a while now, and I still haven't done it. So we usually do webinars on every Friday. So around an hour after New York Stock Exchange open, I host a webinar on Fridays, and then on Saturdays I've been thinking about doing backtesting sessions, because there's a few people in the Discord who have asked me about backtesting sessions together, and you know what, I actually might start doing that on like Saturdays or something, or a time that could potentially work for everyone else. So we just gotta see how that goes, but let's see. Yeah, everyone has a mind of his own. Yeah, true. For me, it's extra confidence for taking it. I mean, it could be seen as that, but from what I've backtested and what I've seen, taking setups that break a low to get to or break a high to get to the supply or demand, they end up losing more. That's just what I've seen. That's why I've stopped taking setups like this, where we're breaking a low here. But I don't know can you guys even see the demand? I don't know, the face cams. I'll just make the face cam smaller. Yeah, that works. Same thoughts about liquidity. Not the best. Not the best since the previous significant high wasn't breaking. It just made a lower high, and that's not good. For liquidity grabs, honestly, to me, it doesn't matter. Like, liquidity grabs happen so often that, and ones I've seen, if it looks clean to me, like, if the market had to come grab this high right here, I'd take that, even though we're breaking this here, breaking the structure here and the structure here, I'd still end up taking this liquidity grab, because to me it looks valid. That's just the way I see it, and it's been working for me. Okay, what is it? Was like 5 minutes before. 5 minutes before news. Junior said, I'm looking at GJ liquidity grab. Yeah, they could potentially be a liquidity grab, but I don't know about this right now. How's the 4 hour? Yeah, the 4 hour demand isn't looking too good. There's no rejection from it. I think we're just gonna have to wait until after news. What are the odds NAS wins through news? I swear, watch this demand here win through news. I don't know if any of you follow Bitcoin or invest in Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is literally almost at its all-time high. I got a little bit of money in it, but not that much. It's literally almost at its all-time high, which is crazy. Yeah, I'm telling you, watch this NAS demand win through news. Let's finish setting up this while we wait. I'm gonna add another text like that, and then go Discord encryption. I think I spelled that right. Wait, I don't know if I spelled description right. Hold up. Let's just get the spelling real quick. Okay, we spelled it right. Okay, it's all good. Let's just make this black so you can see it. Black. Okay. All good. Okay, let's make this smaller. Way smaller. Put it right there as well. I don't know if that looks good or not. I won't lie to you. You know what? It's all good. Properties. Yeah, that doesn't look good. I might just delete that real quick. I'm telling you, watch NAS demand win through news. Also, Rush, even if setups do break a low like this, I'd still look to get into this. I wouldn't say this is like a completely invalid what am I saying? Yeah, a completely invalid demand. I'd still look to take something like this, but I'd be more careful on it. If it was like pushing down, then I'd try and actually cut my L, because I don't really like supply and demands that break a low or a high to get to it. So I'd still end up like taking something like this, but I'd be careful. Description is empty. I wasn't trying to put the Discord in the Discord is empty. I'm gonna put the link to the Discord now. The description is empty. I just try to put it in on the screen, but I'll put the Discord in the description now. Just give me a second. Discord is opening up now. I don't trade NAS on my 2 pairs. I only trade supply and demand with nearby liquidity funded on 25k right now. I'm thinking of taking oh, you don't trade? Okay. Okay, I understand. I hear what you're saying. You funded on 25k down. So right now, I'm gonna do what most people do. I am on a demo, and honestly, you can say what you want. I do have my live my personal account open here on my phone. Right here is on my my actual account. but I'm thinking or practicing for or getting my risk right and my emotions right for when I take a 25K account at the end of Feb. I'm going to be taking a 25K or a 10K account. So I'm just trading on demo now to get my emotions in check and news. And what did I say? NAS 1 through news. But you know what? That is a risk you got to take. And it looks like GU also had a liquidity grab, but that happened really quick. But as I was saying, NAS 1 through news. And then I am going to be taking a funded account challenge at the end of this month. So that's why I'm just trading on demo now, getting my emotions right, seeing how the big numbers work, and just, yeah, getting a feel for it. I'm not too sure which prop firm I'm using yet. Which prop firm I'm going to use yet, but we still got to see. Yeah, GJ was in a support and then grabbed a little bit of liquidity. I mean, not GU. GJ is not doing too much right now. There's a very nice demand, which I do like now on GU. That is a very nice demand, which if we get back, I am going to be taking that. But I'm only taking one more setup for the day because we already lost once on a pretty trash setup. So let's just see how this goes. Fixify works good for me. I'ma check them out. I will. CJ and GJ. I've never heard of someone who trades CJ. What is CJ? Cad Jape. What? Cad Yang. Is that CJ? I don't even know. Looking at 1 through news. I literally called it NAS was gonna win through news, but you know what? I'm not trading news. I'm not taking that risk. Yeah, I'm waiting on GU demand now. This demand looks pretty good. GJ. Yeah, NASA's going crazy. Oh yeah, let me put the Discord. I got it open. I'm gonna put the Discord in chat real quick. Let's see. Does this work? Paste there. Okay, yeah, there's the Discord. I'll put it in chat. I think I can also put it into the description, but I need to figure out how to do that. Yeah, I won't lie to you, I have no idea how to put it in the description. Pretty sure Nas. Yeah, Nas grabbed liquidity, but this is like a liquidity grab. Did reject down, close, but I'm not feeling confident in that. There's still a bit of gaps. Oh, we almost in a 1 hour supply on Nas, but there's a lot of gaps to fill. I wouldn't mind GU. GU demand actually looks pretty good. Yeah, there's literally nothing happening. I hate when news ruins setups. Like, I would have taken Nas demand most likely if there wasn't news. I'm calling it Doyle probably took Nas demand. Calling it now. If you guys know who Doyle is, person I learned trading from. Telling you he probably took Nas demand. Oh, that. Let's check this. Check this. Wait, let me put it. Doyle also took the same GJ demand that I took the first loss. I'll mark it up. Doyle also took this exact same setup right here. That's just how you know we'd be catching the right setups. Like, no, if Doyle Exchange be taking them, then we're doing something right. Let's see. Yeah, Doyle also took the exact same setup, this demand right here, got in a break a candle, and then we were in a 4 hour demand, so it gave us a lot of confidence. Yeah, he lost on GJ and said he was done for the day. Wait, I don't know if he said, I didn't see that he said he's done for the day, but let me check his story again. Yeah, done for the day. Taking the same setup tomorrow. Doyle's even on a losing streak as well. Pretty crazy. I've never seen that man lose a week. Of documents my life. If we don't get anything good as well, I might even just call it for the day. But I'm willing to wait. Until New York Stock Exchange open. Market's been harsh lately. That is so true. In my opinion, the markets have been absolutely terrible. Like, if I remember from last year, this time the markets were literally, like, in my opinion, they were amazing. Like, last year Q1, the markets were like, Q1 and Q2 were pretty good for me, and then Q3 wasn't too good for me last year, but then Q4 was mid, and now Q1 has been absolutely horrible. Not showing no love. Yeah, that's so true. I saw that news. I can't read the rest of that news, and didn't want to trade today. You know what? I trade days where there's news as well, but the news is pretty trash. It does ruin a lot of setups. There's a valid liquidity grab here on NAS, but you know what? I don't think I'm willing to risk it. It's probably going to win in front of my eyes because I'm not taking it. So we grab liquidity of this high here. Candles close below. Would get in on break of this candle here. But also the stop loss would be quite big as well. It's like 23 pips. And you know what? Not too sure if I want to risk a liquidity grab like this. Because if you just go to the 1 hour, as I was saying, and maybe if we tap into this like 1 hour demand, 1 hour supply, sorry. If we tap into this 1 hour supply and it gives us like a 5-minute liquidity grab to the downside, I could actually take that. That I'd take. But there's gaps above here that we need to fill. And the market could actually, I think we might even be in a 1 hour demand. I just need to check that on TradingView though, because that looks horrible. But it looks like there's a 1 hour demand here as well, so I'm not too sure what's gonna happen on NAS. Yeah, it actually looks good, but I don't know if it's worth the risk. The news ruined the market, so true. The news has been doing that. It happened on Tuesday as well, where news completely ruined it. On Tuesday, I remember it perfectly. It ruined the whole day. This liquidity grab actually looks good, but I think I'm going to pass up on this liquidity grab. It is about to get break a candle. I'd rather wait for like this GU demand, but I don't think we're actually going to end up getting there. Okay, so we just got break a candle on this liquidity grab. I'm not taking this. I'm going to pass up on the setup. And hope that we do get something else better. Yep. Okay. It's looking okay so far. We had a big momentum candle to the downside, but as I've been saying, I'm a pass. But watch the setup win because I'm not taking it. Yeah, it actually looks really good. Yeah, it's a 24 pip stop loss. Take profit if you got in that break a candle, literally all the way down here. This is the 1-to-1 take profit, like right here. So I still don't know if that's even worth it. I think someone in the Discord actually hopped in. Let me ask. And if you guys join up the free Discord, please read announcements. There's a pretty important chat there that you need to read, because we have 2 different like chats where we chat. So please read the announcements if you join up the free Discord. Link is in the chat. GJ Zone is great because we're in a 4 hour. We're on the 4 hour demand. Yeah, GJ was good. That's why I took it. Okay, but it looks like it's like rejecting up now. But I took the same setup as Doyle. It's this demand here. I got in that break a candle. You can't see it clearly because it's a MetaTrader, but we got in that break of the candle and then got stopped out. Doyle took this exact same setup as I did, and now it actually looks like it's pushing up. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take NAS. That rejection is looking a little bit. Looking at NAS as well, there is a valid demand, but also I'm not too sure if I like this demand right here. There's a demand as well, but it's in line with, well, not in line with, but it's like we had a liquidity grab, and the liquidity grab has to hit take profit by breaking through this demand, so that is a little bit of a problem. I think when we reach this demand, we actually could get a fake out from this demand. Thinking about it now, I just have a feeling that this demand is probably gonna tap in, give us break a candle, and fake out, or we can tap into this demand and win off the demand. I actually like the market this week. Hey, bro, the market has been pretty terrible this week, in my opinion. On Tuesday, especially Tuesday, like Monday, I want to set up, and then Tuesday. On Tuesday, I took a setup. It won, but spreads messed me up. I might even do like a trade breakdown at the end of this week to go over the setups, like to post on YouTube. But I need to see about that. But on Tuesday, I took a setup that won, but spreads messed me up so that I lost. And then apparently Wednesday was extremely good. Like there was like 3 setups back to back on Wednesday, and then Thursday today has been pretty mid. Do you got a Discord? Yeah, bro, I got a Discord. Posting it in the chat now if you want to check it out. Facts. This week and last week has been mid, bro. It's so true. Last week broke my winning streak. So before last week, I was on a 4 week. So this from the beginning of January, the whole of January, I was profitable. I had a profitable week each day. I mean each week, and then last week comes, I had an unprofitable week, and now this week, I'm unprofitable as well. Well, I've won one setup and lost 2 now during this week. Yesterday was lovely. Yeah, I don't even trade Wednesdays, but yesterday I literally looked at the markets because people in my Discord were telling me to look, and there was like back to back liquidity grabs, and I was just playing. Everything was playing out. Actually, NAS looks like a good setup. Yeah, I told you it was gonna win because I didn't take it. Do you cut your losses short? Yeah, sometimes I do. Do you use SMC? But I trade supply and demand. The way Doyle teaches supply and demand, if you know who Doyle is, that's the exact way I trade. I literally trade his exact way. Do you cut? Yeah, I just answered this, but I do cut my losses. Like, I try not to because I do cut a lot of winners, but I do cut losses if it's like pretty obvious that we are gonna hit stop loss. But look at this, NAS is about to hit take profit, and you know what? I didn't take it, and I called it was gonna win. Yeah, demand's invalid now, but the liquidity grab won. I literally had it marked out. Could have gotten that break a candle, and it hit the 1-1 take profit. What broker do I use? So right now I'm using Fusion Markets, but I'm on a demo account, but also on my live account I use Fusion Markets because I'm thinking of taking a funded account. Well, I'm gonna take a funded account at the end of this month. So I'm just trading on a 25K demo just to get used to the big numbers because I've been trading on like a small ass personal. Are you in Doyle's paid group? Wait, let me just go back. It looks like the liquid grab win. Yeah, the liquidity grab just won. I'm watching out for GU. GU demand actually looks pretty good. GJ has demand. Actually, I wouldn't even call it a demand. That's pretty ugly. But yeah, I'm waiting on GU demand. That's the only thing I like right now. Are you in Doyle's paid group? No, I was in his Discord though. Is paid one. I was in it for about 4 months last year. I left at the beginning of December last year, so that's when I left. But I was in there for a good 4 or 5 months. It's pretty solid Discord. There's a lot of new people learning. There's not like too many experienced profitable people, but yeah, it is good. Just if you're gonna join, don't rely on Doyle to take setups because he loses as well, and you gotta become your own trader. But yeah, I was in this Discord. And also, the Discord, Doyle's Discord is good for the webinars, but in my Discord, we started doing webinars as well now. So each Friday, I host a webinar like an hour after New York Stock Exchange open. I'm actually pretty mad that I didn't take NAS and I won. But you know this is gonna happen sometimes. Let me see. Can we voice call off the stream on Discord? Let me just think. I think I have a few things to do. Actually, yeah, it should be fine. It should be fine that we hop on a call. Also, when did you start trading? I started trading in. It was 2 years. So I've almost been trading for 2 years now. So in April of this year, I've been trading for 2 years. So I started, 2022 in April is when I started trading. So I've been trading for almost 2 years. Would you say you're profitable? No. I just had one profitable month, and you know what? I'm getting there. Like I'm still at the stage of like being break even, but I feel like I am getting there. And I probably could. I'd say give it like a few more months. Maybe by the end of this year, I'd probably be profitable if I follow my rules and just focus on the setups that I'm taking. I only take the best setups. I joined the Discord as well, but it says I can't view all the channels. Oh, you need to click the once you join, it says welcome. You need to click where it says rules, and it says Juicy, my partner, he says click the sign, the emoji, and it says to acknowledge the rules and gain access to the server. So you need to click that thing. It's in rules. So you should see it as soon as you join. And then also, please read announcements once you gain access to the server. We are, you know what, I actually kind of like this. We're in a NAS support right now, and I wouldn't mind getting into the setup. So we're in a nice NAS support right here, but I'ma just be patient and wait it out. Hopefully we do get something else. Oh Yeah. Okay. You know what? I was thinking about taking this Nas. I know exactly what you're talking about. I was thinking about getting into this liquidity grab, but you know what? I wasn't too sure about it. And someone else took it in my Discord and he won. But you know what? It's all good. I passed up on the setup. Yeah. There's a 4 hours. Yeah, it was probably the best setup to take. But I passed up on it. But you know what? It's all good. There is a liquidity grab or a support happening right now to the upside. Why can't I see that candle? That candle's literally white. Let's see. How do I change this? Why? There. Okay, you can see that candle now. So there's a support to the upside now. You can get it on break a candle. But I don't know if I like this too much. It actually looks pretty good. Kind of missed the entry, so I can't take that. Now support will be going against the 1 hour and 4 hour supply. Yeah, I do know that. That's why I think I'm gonna pass up on it. But it is, we are going with the trend. The 200 EMA is below, like almost right below this support setup. So that's why I kind of like it. And we are bullish overall. That's why the setup is pretty clean as well. Yeah, the support actually looks like it's gonna win. New York Stock Exchange Open is in 33 minutes. Yeah, the setup. I don't know about this support anymore. I'm just hoping we can get another setup before we call it a day. The 4 hour supply on NAS actually looks really clean. It's got 2 rejections. Yeah, that actually looks like a really good supply. There's no way I passed up on 2 winning setups. Passed up on the sell liquidity grab and passing up on the support. Hoping this. Actually, let's see where that take profit is. Let's see, it's around 10 pip stop loss. So around there, around about there is take profit for the NAS support. Let's see if we actually get there. There's another setup that I could potentially take as well. There's a GU liquidity grab. Someone in the Discord is in it at Break a Candle here. Could actually get in on this when it gets back to Break a Candle here. And take it to fill in these gaps here. I don't know, that this could actually be a potential setup. Grab liquidity on the 1 hour as well. There's a big gap right here which we need to fill as well. I got 15-minute confidence too. This actually could be a potentially good setup. Yeah, NAS also looks pretty good. Looks like we're about to flip that candle. Take profits like right here for the 1-to-1. That doesn't look bad as well. Had a big rejection from that candle that pushed down. I am liking GU though. GU's reaction looks pretty good. Also had a rejection offer this week here. You know what? I think I actually might just get into GU's when it gets to that original Break a Candle entry. Let's see if we get it. We grabbed 1 hour liquidity, 15-minute and 5-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna come back in 1 minute. Just give me 1 second real quick. I just wanna go check something real quick. I'm back now. Alright, I am back. I just need to go check something. Let's see. We're still on getting that candle break. Or I wanted to get to like around about here if I want to get into this liquidity grab. because it had valid breaker structure, but then a breaker candle, but then pushed all the way up here, almost hitting the stop loss. So I needed to get back here if I want to get into the liquidity grab. Yeah, NAS just hit the stop loss. Glad I didn't take that setup. The only thing I see right now is this GU liquidity grab, which looks like we're pushing down in momentum. Yeah, it's getting to that entry point now. I love trading GU on fusion markets because I have zero spread. And as soon as I say that, a market does that. Okay, well, push down, got a terrible entry. Like an extremely bad entry on this. Like, well, how much? That's like a pip. Okay, let's just fix this real quick. So I'm just gonna be looking to get 1-to-1, which is into this demand zone, which is around about like here. There is our 1-to-1, and that is all I'm looking for. I did get a terrible entry, which is kind of annoying. This is the last setup that I am taking of the day. And let's hope we can just pull through on this. NAS grabbed full liquidity now on the setup as well. Okay, I just called out the liquidity grab to the Discord as well. Is that a liquidity grab? Yeah, this is a liquidity grab. We grabbed 5-minute liquid, so we broke above this high here and this high here, and we closed below it with 2 candles, and then we got 15-minute confluence as well. 15-minute candle is also looking like it's gonna break candle now. It's like getting really close, and then we also grabbed liquidity on the 1 hour. Only thing I don't like is that we have this big gap right above us, but it actually looks pretty good so far. And NAS is also doing a liquidity grab as well again, but we in GJ now. I mean GU. And I think I'm just gonna remove this line so it looks clearer. If we start breaking up like to here, I'm gonna close because there's no reason to be holding past there. If we're trying to sell like that, that's just showing us that we're not trying, that the sellers aren't in the market. So if it gets like up by this line here, I'll probably get a close and just take the 2 L's for the day. where did you learn off? I learned off Doyle Exchange. I will, let me see if I can just pull them up real quick. So I've literally learned off Doyle Exchange, like everything I do. Right here is a channel. It's literally just called Doyle Exchange. This is the guy that I learned everything off. So supply and demand, liquidity grabs, learned everything off him. The only thing that is scaring me about this setup is that our take profit is inside the demand. That's the only thing I don't like about this setup. Oh yeah, the goats. Try buy his course soon. You know what? I wouldn't really, like I haven't looked at his course or I haven't bought it. But there is a I don't want to get in trouble with it, but there's a free version of his course in my Discord if you join up. Someone got it leaked there. So there is but it is the old course of his that he created. It's not a new one. So it is pretty old, but if you want to learn how Doyle trades, I'd suggest my Discord, watching his YouTube videos, or either just joining his Discord, because his Discord is a paid thing, so you pay like I think it's $60 a month, and I'd recommend that way more than buying his course. That's just my opinion. You bought the course. I don't know. It is a pretty expensive course as well. It's like I don't know how much it is now, but last time I checked, it was like $400, maybe even more. He has more advanced stuff there. You know what? I don't know. I learned to trade the exact same way he trades without his course. I used his YouTube channel, and then after I got like somewhat. Hey, you know what? I need to interrupt. Juicy's here, bro. Juicy, I'm trying your show. Okay, this trade isn't looking too good. Looks like we're pushing up with a lot of momentum. But hey, Juicy, you know what? I'm trying live streaming. I'm not gonna do it like every single day. But you know what? We're trying it. Yeah, it's 300. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. But yo, okay, yeah, no, I think I'm gonna end up closing this trade. If we get like somewhere up here. Somewhere around here, I'm gonna end up closing. Here's more advanced stuff there. You know what? I haven't seen his new course, but in my opinion, I'd say join his Discord and watch the free webinars that he has. Well, not the free webinars, but the webinars that he has there. Those will help you. Actually, there is also, I don't want to get in trouble with Doyle or anything if he ends up seeing this, which is ever. But someone in my Discord posted every single webinar that he has had for like the past 2-3 years. So it is in my Discord as well if you want to check that. But yeah. So right now, you use any funded challenges? So right now I'm trading on 25k demo because at the end of this month, I'm going to be taking a 25k, and GC knows exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to be taking a 25k challenge. Let's just say that, yeah, at the end of this month. So I'm just practicing on okay, yeah, GU is not looking good. I'm just going to cut this out pretty much in half. Yeah, GU is not looking like it wants to go down. But yeah, at the end of this month, going to be taking a challenge, 25k. Yeah, okay, wait, let me just... Yeah, it's not looking good. I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna, you know what? Watch it drop now. Watch it. This is why I don't like cutting holes. But you know what? I had to do it. This trade was not looking too good. I don't even like this trade too much now. It's consolidating, going up and down here. I'm just gonna call it for the day. Two losses today. Pretty annoying. First trade was the same one that Doyle took, right over here. Right there, I took that demand, and then we got hits on stop loss. Doyle took this exact one, and then we just took this liquidity grab on GU, but it just looks like we're pushing down, pushing up. And then, if you still want to take another setup, NAS is throwing a bullish liquidity grab here. I just caught a 1 to 2 today. What trade did you take? And then let me just get back to it. NAS is having a liquidity grab right now to the buy side. This actually looks pretty good, better than the this GU one. But yeah, this actually looks like a really good setup. But I am done for the day. I'm just gonna take it like that. Let me put it up. Today, okay, there's the setups that we took. Okay, yeah, that's just what we took. We took 2 L's today. One like the same trade that Doyle took on GJ, and then a GU liquidity grab. This honestly could still win, but I'm not liking it too much. So I'm gonna just say like that. I'm just gonna take it like that for the day. I don't trade like Doyle. Okay. Never mind then. But it was on gold. I've never tried trading gold. Bro, check out oil. You know what? I've tried oil 5. I have back tested oil for I've literally back tested oil. I don't really like it. Sometimes it throws clean setups, but sometimes it just fakes out. But I can check out oil now. I've back tested oil. I really don't like it. Let's just open it. I don't know if it's gonna open. I have a problem with oil. It never opens. Yeah, it's not opening now. Yeah, you see, oil is, whenever I type it, it never opens. Yeah, it never opens, but I can check it out on TradingView. But I have backtested oil. I don't really like it. But you know what? If it works for you, it works for you. And also same with gold. I actually haven't backtested gold, but from what I've seen, gold doesn't respect supply and demand the way I trade it. So I've never really looked at gold too much. Let me check. Okay, let me go to TradingView and check oil real quick. Watch G end up winning now. So annoying. Why can't I find oil? No, that is not oil. Oh, it's XB. Oh, my bad. I'm spelling it wrong. Okay, let me open up oil quickly. Oil, it has a valid demand. That demand actually looks really good on oil right now. I wonder if I can open it here now, but let's see. Yeah. Okay, there we got oil to open. Let's see. Yeah, this demand right here on oil is actually looking very good. Mark it up. Or this is actually a really good demand on oil. But yeah. What chat will the webinars be on the Discord? I can put it in chat right now. Let me just wait. Someone sent it to me. I need to look for it, but I will put it in the chat. Let me just look. Someone sent it to me. I'm just trying to find the link. Just give me a second. Yeah, I can't find it. I can't find this guy who DM'd me and sent me it. Yeah, I can't find it. But if you just message me on Discord, and I will 100% get it to you. I'll look for it because I have it's like a whole document, and yeah, I'll just send you that. Actually, Nast looks good now. Nast looks like it didn't even do a fake out, but Nast looks pretty good for this liquidity grab. But I'm following my rules. I've taken 2 trades, and sometimes I do end up taking 3. But today, it's almost at the end of the week. I'm not trying to take a 3rd loss. But here is a valid Nast liquidity grab. But it is New York Stock Exchange open in 9 minutes. So yeah. Yeah, nothing's looking good. News low-key ruined the day. But I am gonna call it for the rest of the day in stream now. I am gonna have a video dropping. I need to still edit it, so I might have a video dropping by the end of today in like a few hours, or it will drop tomorrow. Pretty good video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But you know what? I might even do a stream maybe next week again. So just watch out for that and join up the free Discord. I will put the link one more time if you want to join up the Discord. Yeah, there's the Discord link. Yeah, it's in chat now. And I am just going to call it for the day. If you guys are still trading, hope you guys catch a new setup and catch something clean. But yeah, two losses today. Pretty trash way to end the week. Well, so we still got tomorrow to trade, but yeah. I'm gonna see you guys